Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a video on VRA, that is Veracity, and we are going to look at Veracity's current movement and the overall update of what I see for Veracity in the immediate future. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. This is not a financial advice of any kind. Neither I am a professional technical analyst. I am just here presenting my views. So please do your own research. So let us go to the Veracity chart and see what's in store for Veracity right now. Guys, it will just take a few seconds. If you can like this video already, it would be of great help. So currently we are looking at Veracity 1 hour chart, and what you can see here clearly, I had also tweeted this, that this was an overall Veracity channel, upside channel that VRA was following. This was the resistance, this was the support. Let me zoom in. So we can clearly see that VRA broke this upside resistance on 20th August. It also retested it successfully, and then we got another impulse wave. So overall, VRA has been pumping. We all know that. If you follow me on Twitter, you must follow me. If you are not, I have been constantly updating this entire pump. I have been tweeting every breakout and every consolidation. Just look at this entire pump that we recently did. I have been tweeting and updating you guys. So make sure you follow me on Twitter if you don't. If you want to get updated about the daily VRA actions and breakouts, we have literally nailed every breakout on this VRA pump. So what I see currently is this is a 1 hour chart, and what I can clearly see, if we want to continue this pump, then the important price point right now for a shorter time frame period, okay, for 1 hour. So this is only for a shorter time frame period, is 31 sorry 3 0.031 cents. So around 3 cents, 31 is an important price point, which we can see here very clearly. Unless and until we are holding this as support, I can see VRA continuing this impulse wave, and we can hit 4351 and even 62 in this impulse wave, as long as we are holding this as support. If at all we get some correction, which would be very healthy, it would not be bad at all if we get some correction. The first support, if we break this 0.031, then the first support that we will get is this trend line. The trend line that you see, because this was an important resistance, a long resistance, which we have broken, and it was tested as support over here. So this trend line would be the first support. If we break this, then the major next support is the area of around 0.023. You can see over here, it was a big resistance which we broke out. This was a breakout, and hence this will now become a support of 0.023. And if at all we get some major correction in Bitcoin and the overall altcoin market, then the next major support for Veracity is at around 0.013 to 0.015. This entire area is now a very big support. So if at all we break this, there are chances of we retesting this. Honestly, this looks very unlikely to come as low as here, because there are multiple supports now. This trend line will act as support. This trend line will also act as support. And we have got a very big support over here. So it would be very difficult, but just to keep in mind that if at all there is some major Bitcoin correction or the altcoin market correction, since we have been pumping so well, So these are the major areas where a price will definitely get a very big support. But overall, Veracity is an amazing structure. If we look at the daily chart, you can see this very clearly on the daily chart. Just look at this. We have been pumping crazily. Just look at this. Let me hide this drawings. Just look at this. This is a clear-cut impulse wave and mega pump, and hence retesting any level would not be bad at all. Doesn't mean that we will retest, because this consolidation is looking good, and still we are printing a second daily red candle after so many green candles, almost 7 green candles on the daily. If we look on the weekly, this is the new weekly candle which has started as red. Until now we have printed 5 weekly green candles, which is amazing. So consolidating here, going sideways, will be a very good thing for VRA, because overall it is looking very bullish to me. So on a shorter time frame, what we are clearly seeing is this. This is a 1 hour time frame, which you can see here now very clearly. We are right now forming another breakout structure. This is not bad at all. Once we break this resistance, this is right now acting as resistance. And once we break this, then we can create another impulse move, because this is a very important pivot point, as I told you earlier, at around $0.0313. So slightly above 3 cents is an important price point. And as long as we are holding it as support, and once we break this resistance, I expect the another impulse wave to hit around 432. So 0.0432, 0.5. So 4 cents, 5 cents, and even 6 cents is possible once we break this structure. So this is the overall update for Veracity on the USDT chart. And if we look at the BTC chart, which is also equally important, again, it's very important on the BTC chart to hold this as support at around 64. If we hold this at support, then we are expecting another impulse wave. This, we are at a very important pivot point in a shorter time frame. This is necessary to hold as support, or else we can go down and retest its previous support, which is over here very clearly, this range at around 0.049. And even this channel, just like in USDT chart, we have broken in the BTC chart also. So this resistance will currently act as support, and we've got another support over here. So on the Bitcoin pair also, Veracity is looking very healthy. If we look at the daily chart, then what we can see here very clearly, this has again been an insane pump straight away. Look at this. There has been no correction at all majorly, especially after breaking out this area of 4.1. We have literally just pumped like crazy. This has been a parabolic move, and it's looking very similar to this pump, which over here we can see. So this is looking very similar, and if it is similar like this, then a small consolidation of 1 week and we can get a next impulse wave. So a sideways movement is also possible and very healthy, and it's not necessary that we get correction by price coming down. We can even move sideways, which would be really amazing. But a pullback is not bad at all, in my opinion, and it would be healthy pullback. If you see on the daily, we are getting right now support from this channel that we have broken out. So if we look at the daily chart, then we can clearly see this channel having acting as support right now. And this again, as I told you, is a very important point. If we want to keep continuing our impulse wave or trending upwards, we need to hold this as support, which was broken and it had become a big resistance. So this is again an entire coming back. We did, you can see this, a recovery on the Bitcoin pair. So this is not bad at all. And if at all there is some pullback, then this would act as support at around 50 Satoshis and 36 Satoshis. These two are very big support. So the overall structure is looking very good to me on the Bitcoin pair. So this was a quick update of the recent Veracity movements. And I wanted to tell you something very exciting and amazing. Let me just complete this also. So even on the Bitcoin chart, you can see that currently we are getting resisted by this trend line. So this is very similar, and this is a bullish consolidation as long as we are holding 64 Satoshis as support. If we hold this as support, then breaking this resistance would create another impulse wave on the up. So this is right now acting as resistance, and breaking this, we can see something like this. Once we break out, retest, then this will be the another impulse wave for Veracity on the Bitcoin pair. So overall, there is nothing to be complained. If you are holding Veracity, I'm sure you would be very happy. There is an amazing opportunity, guys. I am going to give away 10,000 VRA. 10,000 VRA. So if somebody who will be lucky to get this 10,000 VRA, and if you can hold it till VRA reaches $1, then this giveaway would be equal to $10,000. So this is an important giveaway, guys. Support this giveaway. This giveaway is only possible if the Bitcoin Gem Twitter channel reaches 10,000 followers by 28th August. So there are 5 more days to reach this 10,000 followers. We are at 2855. So do support the channel, Twitter channel, by liking, by retweeting this tweet. And if we reach 10,000 by 28th August, then I will give 10,000 VRA to one of you. So do support the Twitter channel. Also, something very important is coming, which you guys must be waiting for. That is, I have seen something epic on the VRA chart, and which I'm going to share with you very soon. Either today or tomorrow, I will upload a video. If you have not seen the first video, do watch it, because we are following that same track, and I want to update with you something which is amazing. So do watch the first video. I have provided the link in the description if you haven't seen it. And this is something you should keep an eye on, because I'm going to update its follow-up video very soon. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Take care, subscribe to the channel, and keep supporting, keep loving me. Bye bye.